Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Canva design to edit for someone. If you want to share it to your friend or something that you work both on a project and want to edit it, I'm going to show you. So first of all, pick out the design you want to edit, share, and open it up. If you click on open menu, and then you can select that you want to share, and then select the one you added. You can add a few tweaks before sharing it. And how to share it, what you need to do is click on share and then click on click on more, and here should be it doesn't show you, then should here collaboration link. You can enter with the link and then select can edit and then click on copy link. And now when I go to a random website, I paste this here, it should let me to edit it, or I need here I can edit it, do etc. And yeah, I hope this video has helped you. Have a great day.